Hi, this is Gordon Day with Team Day. I'm inside the Better Than New home looking at this marvelous brick archway going into the great room. Hardwood floors throughout the house, tile in some of the areas. But you can see as I go to the left, there's the outside courtyard, which you can see from your dining room. Has a gas fireplace out there with a remote. The fourth bedroom is through the dining room. You can also see the outside entrance so that you can access the fourth bedroom from the garage, or just coming through towards the front of the house and go through that iron gate instead of coming inside. Beautiful courtyard. There's the doors to the master bedroom. It is partially covered so that you can enjoy it year-round. Fourth bedroom does have a nice ceiling fan. There's a refrigerator, granite countertops, custom window treatments overlooking the courtyard. Full bath, granite over the sink. Okay, let's go back inside the house. Into the bedroom. We're now in the master. You can see again the custom window treatments, raised ceiling fan, access to the master, access to the courtyard, custom window treatments there, and gorgeous master bathroom. Separate shower, tub, granite countertops, nice cabinets, very well decorated, hardwood floors again throughout all the bedrooms. Tiles pretty much only back here in your access between the bedrooms and the third bathroom. Granite countertops there. The bedrooms are all wood. You can see the window treatments there. Wood in the third inside bedroom, same window treatments. Okay, let's quickly look through the kitchen. There's that brick archway. Catches your eye every time. Okay, granite countertops, gorgeous, very thick. Soft close cabinet drawers, granite backsplash, upgraded Kenmore Elite appliances, huge farm sink, under cabinet lighting, open to the breakfast nook, raised ceiling there too, crown molding throughout the whole house. Open to the great room, easy to have friends, family over and entertain while you're cooking. Very nice covered back porch. It's all screened in. 2 ceiling fans. You can see the flooring is all coated. Very nicely done. Brick in the back, beautiful backyard. Nature, you can hear it. It's just very relaxing as you're sitting out here. Okay, folks, this is it. This is a great home. If you're interested in seeing this house, you won't find it on the internet. You'll only be able to see it if you give me a call, 850-308-1114, let me know you want to see the Better Than New Home and Nature Trail. You can also text VIP Buyer to 850-308-1114, and I'll know that you want to see this gorgeous house. Folks, I want to thank you for stopping by my video. I know this is a little bit longer than most, but it has so many features. You really need to come inside this home to appreciate it. It's hard to do justice in a quick video. Anyway, again, go to 850-308-1114, text VIP Buyer, and I'll send you some more information. I look forward to speaking with you soon and hopefully showing you this gorgeous house. Thanks again for stopping by.